That's because I unplugged it apparently. Oh well. Oh, that means I had no mic. Oh, no, the microphone's working, so maybe I just moved. I don't know. Mic check, 1, 2. Okay, this is still working. Asses. Ken, are you watching the live stream? Alright, so our timer still got 15 minutes. I don't have a jar to store caustic soda. This is so confusing. This is 50 milliliters and this is 50 milliliters. How can this be 50 milliliters? I think I did this wrong. 1,000 liters. How can that be 50 milliliters? 50 ml to 1 ml. So here's what we'll do. If I put 50 in here. Maybe it is right. It just does not look right. Yeah, there's 50 milliliters. Oh, it is right. Alright. Interesting. This graduated cylinder just doesn't look big enough. Yes. Life is a TV channel. Here, I'm going to get this camera just a little bit closer, but that's it. That's all you get. Better than nothing. Maybe. Okay. Let's take it out of the oven. I turned it off just a minute ago. And clean them up. I'll leave them in there for a minute more. Ken, are you watching the live stream? There's my phone. Alright, theoretically we have 8 minutes, so we'll give it a few more minutes. Save. I'm not going to use this same solution, I'm going to dispose of it. I'm going to clean some drains. Maybe I should try to put this in front like I did earlier. Hard to work around that, but it's a pretty cool shot. Hey, why don't you try unknown? You know, do you have this says okay, yeah. It's here. Hello. How is my audio? Because it looks really quiet. Maybe it's the one from up there. I unplugged the other camera. Oh, 2 minutes. There's like 2 little bubbles in here. I don't know what those are. Maybe it's this one too. Apparently it might be like a protective coating on that lens, and we've etched it away. Now it bubbled up. It's kind of interesting. Alright, 30 seconds. Okay, so something to note here, there's these little floaters in there. I don't know what they are. They're in both of them. They're little brown spots. You can see them on this one a little better. It's almost as if each side of the plastic had a coating on it or something, and the etchant has removed it. So basically I'm just going to pour this out. Hopefully keep the disc in the jar. There it is in the bottom. And I'm just going to sort of wash this a couple of times so it's somewhat washed out. There's the disc right there, so let's go ahead and just get it out of there. Alright, so there's the disc. I'll go ahead and actually rinse it off a little bit better. And we'll look at it under the microscope later. Do the same thing for the other one.
So this one was exposed for 3 minutes, and I think I can visually see holes in that thing.
I'm gonna hold it up to the camera and show. See if I can do this. Okay, so here's the 3-minute disc. I wanted you to see that you can actually see a spot in the disc where it appears like it's different than the outside of the disc. Can you guys see that? It's hard to see, but you can see there's a difference. That actually might be the etchant marks. We'll have to see when I clean the other one. I'll almost get it better this way. Alright, I'm going to show you from a different angle. You can actually see, I can see it really well. I don't know about the camera. You can see that different spot. So let's see if the other one has that spot. It's kind of cool if that's actually it. So that's 3 minutes etched. Put that in the baggie. Now let's do this one. That's pretty cool if that is it. Definitely see the tracks, that's for sure. Whoa, this one's really thin. Really flexible. I cannot see any other spots on this one. That's pretty cool. I did not know how easy it was going to be to see that. Apparently it's easy. Fairly easy. So maybe I should do another one. Well, let's see, I got tomorrow. I could do it tomorrow. For like just a very short amount of time. Okay, so here's the one that has not been exposed to the radiation source, and you can see there's no indication of an imprint or anything there. Now this plastic is actually very thin now. It's a lot thinner than it was. Any much more, and I think we would have dissolved the entire thing, etched away the whole piece of plastic. So that's pretty cool that you can visually see it even without the microscope yet. Now I have an optical microscope right here. Probably 12-volt power supply. Looks like it's got a place maybe even for batteries. It's interesting if you could see it on there. It's pretty cool. Probably don't even need 6 hours to see it under the microscope then. Okay, so that's those. Very interesting. Now it's time to go recycle this. Clean the drain. Shoebus. I didn't know caustic soda would eat away the plastic like that. That's pretty intense. Sodium hydroxide, I didn't realize it would eat plastic. I think the CR-39 is similar to like Lexan and stuff. I wonder if it's really similar. I guess I've never mixed it that strong, maybe. Maybe that's what it is. And I forgot my hat. See, this microscope will go to 40x. I don't think I'm going to try it though. really see that already. It's pretty neat. I think I'm going to make this a two-part video. Well, I'm going to record a piece of audio in case I want to make it a two-part video. But I probably won't make it a two-part video. I will just have to do some fun editing to make it work right. But just in case, let's finish this clip. Okay, so we now have our samples, and we can go down to UCLA, which is where I'm going to use the optical microscope there, and we'll actually find out whether or not these are etched and how they look, and get some close shots. So we'll do that in the second part in a new video. So check it out. I have a feeling I won't do it too, though. I think I like it the other way around. So tomorrow I need to think about bringing some samples down there, I guess. Okay, that's it for that. That was fun. Now what I should do, though, is take the other samples that I have. I should take those cut them out of the testing things that I did to see if we can get in there and see them. Am I going to be on the iPhone now? I don't know. If I'm over there milling. That's only for the chat, so I can see the chat. Okay, now I'm going to put my crap away. Again. So I probably will not be live until another day, probably tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday, I should be here.